Alright, enough of this. We're gonna go use this. Yeah. G'day everyone. Today we're fishing on the Murrumbidgee River and today I'm with Ellie. Say hello everyone.
Hi everybody.
Oh, are we already on?
We're fishing with cheese today.
We are fishing with cheese today. Oh, I think we're on.
You won?
I don't know.
Well, let me just fill your rod line.
Hang on.
Yeah, there's a fish on.
Woohoo, we're on.
What did you get?
Hey big fella. A fish.
A Murray cod.
It's a trout cod.
Now, how long can you keep it in the water, out of the water?
You got to be really quick. These ones, put them back as soon as you get them.
Dad, I don't want to get.
Okay, gonna hold it and I'll take a photo of you.
Yes.
No. Okay, alright, throw him back in.
I'm put him back over here. Now, how do I drop him again?
You just pull those things back, like you pull them upwards, like that. And there he goes. See you, mate. Thanks for coming. Oh. Ella, can you grab that, grab that, grab that. Whoa, okay, this is a big fish.
It almost flew over.
Yeah, can you, Ella, can you...
Get the net.
Yeah, get the net.
Netty-o.
Oh, he's giving you a good fight.
I'm trying to get the netty-o out.
Oh, man, he's really big.
I put the netty-o out.
Okay, just keep working with it, that's alright. He's not in yet.
No, you get it.
Alright, here.
Oh my goodness, that's a big fish.
He's a big one.
Can you send me pictures to Mum
Yep.
of me holding it?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah, I just got to try and get him in.
How big?
Ooh, he's a big one. He's nearly...
Oh my goodness!
Woohoo!
How fast will you have to get him in?
Oh,
Back into the water?
I'll vary, but that's okay. We can still measure him up. Oh. Okay.
It's not like he's gonna die.
No, he won't die. As long as we do all the right things. It's a big trout cod.
We're not supposed to measure these ones.
Okay.
Well, if you put enough.
No, you can measure these ones.
These ones.
Yeah.
What is it? You know, you got the net when you hooked him. Do you want the pliers?
I just want to make sure I get it out for him. Okay, we got a fish. Woohoo! Big fish.
That's probably like the second biggest fish. I don't know how big it is yet. We still need to measure him.
Okay.
But I hope it's really big, guys.
You're right. Oh, I got him on with the net.
I told ya. Hi, Biggie.
Oh.
Whoa, he's a big biggie.
Okay, what is he?
Hey, Biggie.
Okay.
He could definitely hurt my fingers.
Yeah, just be careful. Okay. So he is 60
Can this one be
centimeters
my fish?
on the nose. Yep. 60 centimeters, 61 centimeters.
Wow, that's such a big fish.
Hold him. High five.
Yeah, we've got this thing.
Okay, so hold him like that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just hold him like that, he won't move.
Wow, he's a big fish.
Alright, let me take a photo. Alright, let's put him back in the water.
Can I?
Oh, I better do this one. Just make sure he's alright. Alright, he's ready. Woohoo! See you, buddy. Thanks for coming.
He was a big fatty.
He was, wasn't he?
Why did you need to check if he was okay?
Right?
Why did you need to check if he was okay?
I didn't.
You didn't do it on the last one.
What do you mean?
You just let him go.
Oh, the little ones you don't have to worry, but the bigger ones you have to look after them a bit because they get tired. Okay. Well, that was a lot of action, wasn't it? Lucky we came when we did.
Yeah.
That was such a big fish. Whoa! I don't even know what to say there. That was a big fish. Ella, 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 Ella. Go, 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 go. Get it. Get it. Is he on?
Yep.
I told you this was going to be your spot. Am I flashing?
I don't know. Yes.
Okay. Get him up, get him up.
I know I have something on.
Yeah, you definitely have something on.
Whoa! It's as far as I can get, Dad.
No, you got him.
Dad.
You're nearly at the boat. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Woohoo! Oh, nearly got him. Oh, well done. Wow, he was fighting hard for a little fish. Woohoo! Was that fun?
Yeah. So this is my second fish. Second fish. Second fish.
Second fish. Yeah, your first one was a beauty.
Yeah, I needed that net for sure. I really needed that net. Why did they even need that net when it was just a smallie?
There you go.
Oh, someone get his butt.
Here,
Look at him. Look at his butt.
look at me. Hold him up.
Ah.
Hold him up. Whoa.
Well, you better get that first.
Ah, here you go. Hold him up. All right, throw him in. Just pull the prongs up and he'll fall out. Well done. See you later, mate. All right, folks, that's it for the day. We got 3 trout cod. Ella got the biggest one. You're calling that a team effort, actually. What'd you get?
I got 2, guys.
Yeah.
Dad got 1, so I won today's challenge.
Alrighty, we'll catch you on the next one.